Today we're doing the no talking challenge. And we're gonna start right now.
When do you like to play dress up? Now you want to walk, be my guest. I'm done with you. Age 12? Your mother's daughter. What could she have done to you? Ever dream about it, George? No wonder you're such a small little man.
Don't you walk away from me! Don't you walk away from me! Out there, he's not.
Where? In the woods? Tell me who you are in the woods. You. Who you are. Tell me.
Alright. Girl. You made me talk. Dang it. You made me talk, but that don't count. Let's start again right now.
I'm done with you.
Tell me how you killed her.
I gave you my thoughts. My conjecture, we were just talking, right?
What did you do with her head?
You mean, what did he do?
Where did you put them, George?
Ask him. I have no idea. It's over.
No, it's not over, so sit down.
Oh, no. It is over.
He's just gonna walk?
No confession. She was close.
I'll be watching you.
I think I might leave town. Do some traveling. Beautiful country we live in, lots of empty woods. I never hunt.